Yeah, guys. Bang it. Hello.
Come on, concentrate.
Are you trying to put it back on?
So we got the inspiration with Etufano with reading all the resources that we had, and as well as finding out about the local iwi, just for the families to know, because they haven't been here before and they hadn't known much about Whangaroa. So seeing the kids getting up at 9 o'clock ready and waiting to do this painting, even their parents are saying they're up and ready and waiting, and it means a lot to them.
Yeah, the pride, that element of pride,
Yeah.
is something we need to just sort of really install in them.
We all worked as a group. We just did we started on colours and then we got our own ideas and put it into the mural idea pile.
We're doing the text for the mural outside room 1. And the mural is going to be Te Nohoanga.
How does this feel, doing the painting?
All
Make
good.
you feel
Pretty
without
good.
trying to stop the violence?
Makes me feel special.
Healing has to start from inside with kids, is another sort of an extension of that healing to manaakitanga then, because that's a tikanga we've actually starting to lose, forget. How to look after each other, how to be hospitable, how to be kind, how to feed. Being with them actually lifts them, lifts me, lifts everyone.
And they teach you things that you have forgotten half the time, of family, love, laughter. You don't need money for everything.